This initial solution will show you how to recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. So first of all, I'm gonna opening my profile and I'm gonna deleting a photo from here and move to your recycle bin. Items in your recycle bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. So I'm gonna tapping on move, and here you can see the post has been successfully deleted or moved to the recycle bin. And now let's see how you can restore the post. So tap on this three dot, tap on activity log, tap on recycle bin, and here select the photo, post or video you want to recover. Tap on restore, tap on restore, and remember one thing: if you delete a post from your profile, it will be stored on your recycle bin for 30 days. After 30 days, here is no way to recover the deleted post, videos or photos on your Facebook. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.